Presenting Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro in black. The vacuum cleaner comes with 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function and 3000 PA powerful suction. The next-gen LTS laser navigation function does intelligent mapping and route planning, while the 19 high-precision sensors help in surrounding detection. It comes in a size of 35.3 by 35.3 by 9.7 centimeters and weighs 3.56 kilograms. The automatic recharge and resume with 5200 mAh battery ensures seamless usage. It is equipped with smart app and voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
This automatic vacuum cleaner by me provides you a 2-in-1 functionality of mopping and cleaning. With the new laser detect structuring or LDS navigation sensors, it can clean your house without running into any ugly bumps, all while cleaning an area of up to 2000 square feet in one single charge thanks to its 5200 mAh battery. You can of course connect it to the Xiaomi Home app to connect it with Alexa or Google Home. It's time to talk about its features. 3000 pascals strong suction. Mi asserts that this impressive device flaunts robust capabilities featuring a formidable 3000 pascal suction and a top-of-the-line brushless motor designed to expedite your cleaning task. And it stands true to its claim. The cleaning is impressive and definitely takes the load off your head. It's 2-in-1 functionality. The robot vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function. This further breaks down into 3 modes of cleaning. These modes include simultaneous sweeping and mopping functions, sweeping only, and finally when the robot does only mopping. Each of these functions uses a specific amount of water for the tank. LDS sensor. Moving on, the vacuum is also loaded with the new LDS sensor that enables intelligent mapping and route planning. The LDS sensor coupled with the new SLAM algorithm enables better real-time mapping, faster speeds and higher accuracy. It also provides a longer scanning range of up to 10 meters. Improved cleaning. While the mop can take on any terrain to clean, you do get some added cleaning methods like a zone cleaning and customized room cleaning setup, so your house is neat and tidy all day. Smart features. Now this mop also comes with a ton of smart features like voice control and cleaning using the Google Home app and Xiaomi Smart Home app. You can also schedule your cleaning cycles and even create virtual walls. It also allows you to create a customized cleaning plan for your home by adding or removing rooms in the map for your house. Isn't this personalized enough? Battery life. You get a battery life of 4.5 hours on the Mop 2 Pro on a single charge, which is enough to get your house cleaned. Mind you, it can find its way back to the charging dock, so technically it's on duty all day. It's time